start
Okay.
with the branding and the confidence through clear skin.
Okay.
Then you talk about the ingredients and the how, and then we can get to the pricing down the line. Building your own audience is great, but it's a long-term strategy. Oh my God, this soap is legendary. How can I help, man? What's up?
Okay, so I'm building this startup soap business.
So you start a new company?
Yeah, it's soap business, like a soap brand.
Okay.
And I want to do marketing now. And I'm just
Okay.
starting marketing. I want to
Okay.
know like how to go about that. Any tips?
Okay. So what's so different about your soap?
Okay, so it's a premium one, which is much more
Mm-hmm.
expensive than the current one. It has activated charcoal in it and glycerine.
Okay.
So it's far better than the normal soap. And I'm branding
Okay.
it on confidence.
Wait, you're branding it around confidence?
Yeah, the tagline
Okay.
is clear skin equal confidence.
Does it actually help me with clear skin?
Yes, it helps a lot. My
Because
father
of
is a
the
dermatologist, and he made the formula.
okay, so a couple things. First off, when you're talking about it, I mean the tagline is great, confidence. You can build the whole campaign around confidence. Um,
Okay.
how you first introduced it was it's a premium soap. It costs a
Yeah,
lot more than other soaps. So
yeah. It
that
costs
should
like
not
10
be
as well.
yeah, okay,
Yeah.
but don't lead with how much more expensive it is than everything else,
Okay.
right? And
Okay.
then you said it has this ingredient and this ingredient. I forget what they were already. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
again, but that doesn't mean anything to me yet, right? So if you're talking about, I have a new line of soaps, and our aim is to help people feel more confident about themselves because our soaps are designed to give them clear skin. And then you can get into why. Okay, clear, great. Why does yours work versus all the other soaps? Because we have these ingredients, blah 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 blah. Right. So lead. So you talked about pricing, then you talked about ingredients, and then you talked about the mission and the brand, like what the value prop of clear skin and confidence. Flip that
Yeah.
order, right? You start
Okay.
with the branding and the confidence through clear skin.
Okay.
Then you talk about the ingredients and the how, and then we can get to the pricing down the line.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Aaron.
Okay, but hold on. I want to help you more than that.
Okay.
If I'm you, where do you have the strongest social presence? Are you on Instagram or YouTube or Twitter? Or where are you spending your time?
I'm starting on Facebook and Instagram,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm going to provide value for like few months, like in terms of uh, pictures with quotes on it that helps, like confident quotes on it.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Okay.
I'm going to introduce, like after like jabbing away for like 9 or 10 times, I'm going to put like one post asking them to buy it.
Okay, so I would mix up the content between just confidence, because it's great that you're about confidence, but I also want to know that you sell soap, like that you're in the soap business,
Okay.
right? So I would have like one post on a confidence quote from somebody that you like, and then a post about something around the soap or something around clear skin or something around how like these ingredients can help you feel more confident, because it'll help you with your skin. Like teach me about not just go buy my soap, but educate me
Okay.
around
Okay.
why this soap is
Educate the
helpful, right?
market. Okay.
Right, start educating me, right? You can even tie in some posts about how if your face is clear, you will feel more confident, right? Like if you have stats or like start doing some research into that so I can feel more, so it's not only just mindset confidence stuff, but through the appearance. Um,
Okay.
that's fine, but I would just post like if you have 9 to 12 good posts to start, it's enough to get started because Instagram is only the 9 and it's in blocks of 3. I think your
Yeah.
biggest thing is actually going to be if your thing works, if your soap was actually better and it actually works, I would target Instagram influencers and send them free bars of soap.
Okay. And how do like give money to them? Like what kind of
Uh,
prices I should be
okay,
looking at?
so it depends.
Okay.
First off, how long does it take your soap to work?
It takes
Like if
like
I have
2, 3
acne,
months.
how long is it take? What, 3 months?
No, at least 1 month. Yeah.
1 month. Okay. So what I would do is find Instagram people who are talking about skincare, acne, any of those kinds of hashtags. If you're looking at those hashtags, right?
Okay.
Maybe soap as a hashtag, but skincare, and just start going down the line of related hashtags. Like someone like me, you don't want to target because I don't talk about soap. I don't talk about skincare. I don't talk about, even if I did, it'd be such a weird thing because my audience isn't coming to me like, guys, oh my God, this soap is legendary, right? Like, I'm probably not going to help you convert that many people, right? If it was an entrepreneur, the entrepreneur soap, or something entrepreneur related, you know, right? Like, I'm the guy.
Yeah.
But for skincare and soap, I am not the guy. So finding the guy or the girl who can do that, and then reaching out to them. And some people will do it just for the sample. Some people will do it for free. Some people will do it just because you're going to send them soap. Some people will ask you for money. Some people might say, hey, I'll do it for $50 or $100. The bigger that person is, the more they're going to ask. The pricing is all over the place right now. Like, there's no exact measurement to say if you have 1 million followers and it's $1,000, and if you have 100 followers, it's free. Like, there's no exact science to it. Everybody has their own pricing. A lot of people actually underprice themselves, and a lot of people will do, I think entrepreneurs in general, we underprice ourselves, which isn't great, but you can use that and take advantage of it and help you build your soap brand. So I'd be reaching out to like 50 people a day across the different hashtags that are relevant, and just saying, hey, I'd love what you're all about, like something authentic and real. But I love what you're all about. We make this soap that is proven to help give you clear skin and build your confidence. I'd love to work some kind of deal with you to have you try it out, right? Not even talk necessarily about like promoting it to your audience yet, but just have you try it out. And then you're spending more time doing the conversation with influencers than you are worrying about the marketing in terms of content on your Instagram page. You need to have something up on your Instagram page just so that when that influencer goes to your page, there's content, they see it, they see the soap, they see the confidence quotes, you know, it looks legitimate. But I'll be spending most of my time doing the outreach, because building your own audience is great, but it's a long-term strategy. The faster way to do it is to leverage somebody else's audience.
Got it.
So somebody has 10,000 followers or 20,000 followers or 100,000 followers, and they're willing to talk about your soap. You get you can get instant sales from that instead of waiting for you to get to 100,000 followers. You should still do that. You should still be building your content, because that's the long-term game, so that you don't have to rely on anybody else's audience longer term. But you could be out of business by that point, right? Yeah. The time to wait to create the good content and build it up is a multi-year plan. I want you making sales immediately, and that's going to come by using the influencers and getting their audience. Okay. Make sense?
Yeah, it makes very good sense. Thank you very much.
Confidence soap. I love it, man. Cool. Well, good luck. Thanks for calling in.
Thank you.
If you want to spend some one-on-one time with me, I have a special offer happening right now. Go check out the website right next to me. Continue to believe, and I'll see you there.